guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in college doing a going out for Halloween video, and this is my makeup, and this is my hair, and this is my costume. So I'm just gonna do a get ready with me, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. This is for going out in college. It's fun, and it was really fun to film. I just winged it like no other because I did not know what I wanted to do, and I've never done like this kind of makeup before, but I did it. I'm gonna go to a concert and then to the bars, and so yeah. Sorry, I'm like rushing out the door right now, but this is the whole thing with the glitter and the space buns, trying to show everything. But yeah, so subscribe and let's get into the video. Okay, so I look really scary right now, but just let's go with it. So first, I'm going to just apply my foundation really quickly with this kabuki brush. I'm using the It Cosmetics CC cream. And hopefully this matches my body. I have a spray tan, but my spray tan's not that dark. So, I think I'm just gonna have to bronze it up, but overall, this will do. So tonight for Halloween at this school, we didn't do anything over the weekend. Some people did, but like not really. So we are doing it tonight, which is Tuesday night, and then tomorrow, which is actual Halloween. So we've already seen the final product, but at this moment, I don't know what that final product is gonna be. Like, I actually have no idea. I bought these face paints and I wanna do something with them that's kind of like 90s, kind of, but I don't know. So next I'm gonna use this Naked Skin concealer. Oh, by the way, the CC cream, I'm shade light, and this one is light warm, not light neutral or whatever the other option is. That one's kind of weird. And so I want my makeup to just like be amazing. So I'm gonna load the concealer and brighten up the chin, the nose, get some there. I have a zit right there, so let's just do up there as well. Blend it in with the beauty blender. This concealer, I've been using it forever now and I love it. Also, ignore the mess back here. It's like my costume laid out and stuff. Awesome. And then next, the Laura Mercier translucent powder to brighten up the under eyes. I'm like, as I'm doing this, I'm trying to think of like what makeup I actually want to do. I don't know. We're literally just gonna wing it and pray that it works, because I'm laying all of this down so there's no going back, you know? Like, I can't wipe off it because it'll just take my whole face off. So that's great. But after we use a beauty blender, I use a fluffier brush. I just kind of go around and like pat it in. Okay, let's see what time it is. Okay, I have a while, which is good. But okay, so I wanted to do some serious contouring. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I usually just contour with the bronzing shade because it's warm and I like that. I'm just using this little brush. I don't even know. I'm scared. I haven't contoured in so long. Okay. Kind of just looks like a line, but I'll blend it when I bronze. Okay, I'm gonna switch to bronzer now. I use this Marc Jacobs Tantastic, and I love it. It's Tantastic. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, my cheek looks kind of muddy. I'm not sure how I feel. Have you guys seen A Star is Born? Because if you haven't, you have to see it. The soundtrack is so stuck in my head. It's actually crazy. So, yeah, I'm going to a concert. It's gonna be sweaty, and this is literally going to look disgusting. And then I'm supposed to go out to bars after. So that's a little bit concerning. Okay, next is fun though, because I'm gonna do my highlighter. And so for my highlighter, I'm using the same palette that I use as it, for my Coachella makeup. If you guys have seen my Coachella Get Ready With Me, but it's called Alchemist Holographic Palette by Kat Von D. And it's like really cool. These look just like white, but when you put them on, they all come out different colors. I think I want to do blue today, so I'll just swatch it for you. Ready? It's so cool. I'm gonna do that on my cheekbones. Looks so good. The blue shade is called Blue Sapphire. Next is brows. I'm just doing normal brows, nothing too crazy. Okay, it's time to open up the colors, and I actually have no plan as of right now, and I'm planning on making this look cute, so let's hope this goes well. These are the options. Oh no, I'm actually nervous. I just put a little bit of blue under here. I'm gonna put more. Okay, I like that. So I put the blue under there. So I'm kind of putting a little bit of more layers because it's not the most pigmented thing in the world. Okay, yeah, that looks good. You see people, I'm fully winging this, so I don't even know what the heck is going on right now. I also don't know if this lighting is good. Everything is giving me problems right now. Okay, so I found the perfect brush for the pink to go up top. And I'm just gonna like try and load it up because this stuff is not super pigmented. So we start out with the pink on the top. And now this is gonna go way better. I might just start filming on this eye so that you didn't have to go through that whole experiment. Yeah, so I'm just like cutting it out first. Let me make sure that's even, pretty even. But I'm just cutting it out first, and then I'll go and fill it in. Okay. Wow, that's actually really even, so that's good. I'm just gonna keep like trying to make this even more pigmented. And then just try and blend it. Okay, I kind of don't want to touch it because it's exactly how I like it. So, okay, so now that I have the color on, I'm gonna do this eyeliner. We're gonna do like a big one. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for the eyeliner because I don't want to mess anything up and I like it like that. I'm into this, people. And then we're gonna take this glitter that I got from Forever 21 like years ago. Okay, now we're gonna do the same to the other eye. Like this, go like this, and kind of up this way to kind of mirror how the shape of the eyeshadow is, you know? Fun stuff, fun stuff. Hey ladies and gentlemen, time for the eyelashes. So that is the finished eyes, guys. Okay, so this isn't the best angle, but I'm kind of in a really big rush at this point. So what we're gonna do with the hair is first brush it. Everyone knows how to brush their hair. Oh, also I put on my t-shirt. I'm just wearing a big t-shirt for the costume. And then we're gonna take this dry shampoo, my dry bar, and like put it in there because my hair is super greasy. Also want volume because I have like no hair. I have the thinnest hair, and the space buns are gonna be like tiny. So we want to get some volume up in here. Okay, so now that we have that handled, I'm gonna take these little tiny rubber bands, and I don't really know what I'm doing for this either. Everything is just really up in the air, and it's crunch time, so let's freaking do this, people. This is a very realistic, like, college getting ready to go out video because I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Okay, so I want to do, like, leave the front pieces out and like make space buns, keep moving and grooving. So leave the front out and get this hair like really tight in a pony. So this is where things get tricky, and we're just gonna like tease it, like tease all of my hair because I need as much volume as possible. So now I'm gonna try and like make a space bun. I've actually literally never even made space buns. This could be, oh wait, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Oh my god, oh my god. It's cute. So now, in order for it to stay, spray the shit out of it. Okay? Now, sorry guys, this is like so such a ratchet get ready with me video. But now we're gonna get the other side. And then the beauty of it is, even though that looks effed up, the bobby pins are here to save the day because you can just pin down what you don't want sticking up. See how that worked? Wow. Wow. Love. Okay. Remember, spray the shit. Spray the shit out of them. Next, I'm just gonna take this glitter from before and put it in my part like dandruff. Just really put it all up in there like dandruff, okay? But to make it stay, we're gonna spray it. And hopefully that makes it stay, because I really don't know. But yeah, that is completed hair. Now I need to brush my teeth and put my lipstick on. Okay. The group text is rushing me like major. Basically said get here now because we're gonna leave. So okay, do put that on. Now the same Kat Von D Lovecraft shade of the lipstick. I use this in every video I ever make, so now you know I mean it when I say it's my favorite. Now I'm gonna put these docs on. I was gonna wear my white go-go boots, but now I'm just doing my docs so that I'm comfortable. Okay, so This is the full outfit. We'll go out here really quick. It says that my camera's about to die. But this is the full thing, guys. Happy Halloween. See you next time.